Hello, everybody. My name is Amber Ham, and I am in my last semester here at NTC. I'm in the Early Childhood Education program, and my educational goals are to graduate, and I will be the regional teacher for Head Start. So I plan on teaching for a couple years and then maybe moving on to getting my bachelor's and just continuing my education. Reading is a favorite pastime of mine, along with listening to true crime podcasts. They kind of keep me busy and keep me grounded during stressful times. I love to spend time with my family. They give me the greatest joy, even in the toughest times and the toughest days. And I plan on doing option one for the group project. I will be talking to my coworkers to see if there is something that we would be able to put together to get it done and it being good. Um, Communication plays a really big role in early childhood education, from being the teacher to being the bus monitor, because you are constantly communicating with families and parents as to what's going on with the children, and putting together family nights and parent nights to let parents know what's going on during the month that they meet monthly. And it's constant communication between teachers and everyone, so we know what's going on with the kids. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.